A quick overview over the accusative, its forms and its usage. The forms you can find here, it's mainly about article endings as usual, so it's about the en for the masculine, the es or the das for neuter, d and d for feminine and plural. No other specialties here. Personal pronouns are these. You cover that in your class, they just have to be learned. So let's take a look at when to use these. The clearest situation is you have an accusative preposition. Entlang, durch, gegen, für, bis, ohne are clear indicators that you have to use one of these endings or one of these pronouns, if you have to use them. You learn them separately, so let's continue. After two-way preposition, entlang, durch, vor, hinter, über, unter, nebenan, zwischen, auf und in. Only if, in combination with these, you can ask wohin, where to. Third situation, after an accusative verb. Well, the good or the bad news depends how you see it. Actually, it's after all the verbs, with a few exceptions that are written here: sein, bleiben, werden, to be, to remain or to stay, and to become. And also, the other exceptions are the dative verbs, of which there are more or less 47 or 50. Learn these, and you know all the others take the accusative, which makes it simple. So whenever you're not sure what case to use, and it's not the subject which requires the nominative, then use accusative. It's a good rule. The last situation, there are verbs that can take two objects, and these verbs are universal. That means no matter what planet you come from, you have to use two objects. For example, bringen, to bring, bringt seiner Mutter Tee, einen Tee. So you have, whenever you bring something, you have something that you bring, and you have a person you bring it to. The person is always dative, er. You can see there's no er here, so it's not the accusative. But you see here, einen Tee, which is den, which tells you Tee is masculine. So the thing that you transport, that you bring, that thing is always in the accusative. This is it. This is a short overview. You will learn all of these topics in separate videos. I wish you success.